Flip open to FLL Lesson 81. Pause if you need to get there. We're going to be reviewing prepositional phrases. So let's start by looking at prepositions. So preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in the sentence. So say that definition over to yourself at least 2 times. Pause me and say it to yourself 2 times. Okay. Trust that you've done that. So in your workbook, let's look at exercise 1. These are your list of prepositions. Aboard, about, above, across, after, against, along, among, around, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, down, during, except for, from, in, inside, into, like, near, of, off, on, over, past, since, through, throughout, to, toward, under, underneath, until, up, upon, with, within, without. So prepositions can be used in either adjective phrases describing nouns or adverb phrases describing verbs. By diagramming the 5 sentences on the frames in your workbook, you'll review each of the 5 ways prepositional phrases can be used in sentences. So the sentences in this lesson are about ice. Oh, this gives us some cool facts about ice. For most substances, the solid form is heavier than the liquid form. So, ice is the solid form of water. But because water molecules form a crystalline structure when they freeze, think about snowflakes and ice crystals in your freezer, ice is less dense than water. Ice floats on water. If it didn't, cold air would freeze the water on the top of a lake and that ice would sink. Then more cold air would freeze the newly exposed water and that ice would sink entirely. Eventually the entire lake would freeze, killing all the fish. As it is, ice floats on the top of a lake, trapping the heat in the water below and preventing its contact with the cold air above. Very cool. Thank you, God, for making water and ice the way you did. Okay. Let's look at exercise 2. We're going to read the first sentence, and it has a prepositional phrase that describes the subject of the sentence. The prepositional phrase is an adjective phrase because it tells what kind. Okay, so let's look at the first sentence. The solid form of water is ice. So first thing first, let's find our verb when we're diagramming. So our verb here is a linking verb, and it is the word is. So is. Now we need to find our subject. What is? It's actually form. Our subject is form. Form is what? Form is ice. Form is ice. Now I have to think, okay, the solid form of water is ice. What is the in the sentence? The is an article, so that means it also acts as an adjective. So that will go on our first slanted line. Solid is an adjective that describes the form, so that will go on our second slanted line. And now form of water. So solid form of water. Of is a preposition, so it will go on our third slanted line. And then on the line that shoots off of it will be our object of the preposition, which is water. Okay, I'm actually going to this is all just diagramming. Yeah, I'm going to let you practice diagramming these on your own. I think you should be able to do it. It's just diagramming prepositional phrases, which I know you've done before. So try 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your own and finish up the lesson. If you need help, ask a parent. I think you can do it though. You're smart. So try it on your own. Have a parent look over it. I think you'll get it.